Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss some problems which is related with mean and variance of binomial distribution. So we know the mean of binomial distribution is n into p, where n is the total number of events and this p is success, you know that, and variance is equals to npq. So first the sum of the mean and variance, of a binomial distribution for 5 trials. So 5 trials means the value of n is equals to 5 is given, right? So this is equals to given 1.8. So if I just take np common, then 1 plus q is coming. So that is equals to 1.8. What's the value of n? N is 5, right? So it will be 5. And my p you can substitute, or you can substitute q also. So if I substitute q from there, so it will be a5 into 1 minus q into 1 plus q, that is equals to 1.8. 1.8 I can write like this. So 50 into 1 minus q square is equals to 18. This is 18 divided by 10. So I can just cancel out 2 both the sides. So this will be the case. So 25 minus 25q square is equals to 9. So 25q square will be equals to 16. Q is equals to plus minus 4 divided by 5. Now is it possible q as minus? Not. So probability of anything is in between 0 and 1, as we know. So q is equals to 4 divided by 5, which is equals to 0.8, and p will be equals to 0.2. So what will be the binomial distribution? So binomial distribution px equals to r, that will be NCR, p to the power r, q to the power n minus r. And what are the value of r? R can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5, right? So if I will proceed for the next sum, which is very important one, many times it came in exam. So sum of mean and variance. It is given that sum of mean and variance of a distribution is equals to 15. Sum of their square is 117. So this whole square plus this whole square is equals to 117. Now check what I am going to do in the next line. Just check what I am going to do. I am going to square them and divide them. So if I will square this, I will get np common into 1 plus q whole square divide by, I will keep it like this. So from there if I take n square p square common, I will get 1 plus q square, right? So that will be equals to, if I square this, it will be 225 divided by 117. So next one, if I will just open the bracket, n square p square 1 plus q square plus 2q divide by n square p square 1 plus q square. If I will just simplify it by 9, it will be 25 and divide by 13. Yeah, so cancel out, this will be 25 divided by 13. So just check how I am going to do it. This divide by this will give you 1, right? So can I write it as 1 plus 2q divided by 1 plus q square, that will be 25 divided by 13. So next line, can I write it as 1 this side? So 2q divided by 1 plus q square is equals to 12 divided by 13. Now cross multiply 26, you can simplify this before cross multiply. So after cross multiplying, now 13q is equals to 6 plus 6q square. So we are going to do for the middle term factorization. So 6q square, I can divide it by 9q plus 4q plus 6 equals to 0. So if I just simplify this, I will get this 3q common, 2q plus 3. From there I can get, sorry, I think we made one mistake. So it will be minus 13q, this go this side. So it will become minus 9q and minus 4q. So this will become minus, this will also become minus, right? So minus 2 common, so it will be 2q minus 3 equals to 0. So value of q will be 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. Tell me, 3 by 2, is it possible more than 1? No? right? So value of q will be only 2 by 3, hence p will be 1 by 3. And what will be the thing? So one more thing, we have this value np plus npq is 15. So np plus npq equals to 15. So n, if I will take common, p is my 1 by 3 plus pq is my 2 divided by 9. So this equals to 15, 3, 9 LCM, so 5 by 9 equals to 15. So my n is equals to 27. So what will be the probability distribution? Binomial distribution will be x equals to r, n, c, r. What was my p? 1 by 3. So it will be 1 by 3 whole to the power r, and q is 2 by 3 whole to the power 27 minus r. There also you have to put 27. Is it fine? Please be very careful. One more sum if I will do right now based on this. Suppose sum of mean and variance is given 24. Again, sum is given as 24 and the product of mean and variance. So these are the three sums which is very important here. Otherwise you will get the confidence of doing any sum. So np into 1 plus q equals to 24. From here, can we write a square p square into q is 128, right? From here, np equals to 24 by 1 plus q. From here, n square p square is 128 by q, right? So if I will solve, just check this two, this is np, this is n square p square. So can we write that 24 by 1 plus q whole square? What is this? This is n square p square. So this will be equals to this value of n square p square 128 by q. So if I just open the bracket, 576 1 plus q square plus 2q 128 divided by q. So if I will simplify this by 128, rather 64, not 64, by 16 first, this will be 8, 3, 16, 48, 3, 6, no it's not going with 16. So if I will just cancel with 8, 4 only, first if I go with 4, it will be 32, it will be 144. Further if I'll go with 4, it is supposed to go with 16, so it will be 8. Again if I will go with 4, it will be 9 and 2, right? So 9 cube is equals to 2 plus 2q square plus 4q. So 2q square minus 5q plus 2 equals 0. If you just do the middle term, you will get 1 by 2 and 2 is not possible, right? As the value of p and q should be in between 0 and 1. So q equals to half means p will also be equals to half, and we know that product from there 128, if I will do it from there, np into npq equals to 128, that is n into half into n into half into half equals to 128. So from there if I will calculate, n square is equals to 128 into 8. So what will be my n? That will be root over of 128 into 8. If I just add just 1 2 inside, just check, I am dividing this by 2 and I am multiplying this by 2. So it will be 8 into 4, 32. Always we don't have to use calculator to find out the value. Just check the way I have done. I have divided this 2 over here and multiplied this 2 over there. So I got in 32. So the binomial distribution will be probability of x equals to r in CR half to the power r into half to the power 32 minus r. So ultimately this will be equals to 32 CR half to the power 32, where the value of r is 0, 1, 2 till 32. So that's it for now. So if you have any doubt in probability distribution, please write in the comment box. Here value of r will be 0, 1 till 27. Okay. Thank you all of you.